good day, everyone. We are here now at Cleveland State University. And what we're going to do now is to interview some random students from different colleges about the societal issues that are happening here in the city. So are you ready? Let me hear you. Yeah! Come on, join me!
A societal issue is a problem that negatively affects a large number of people within our society. These issues are often complex, stemming from a variety of social, economic, or political factors. They require a collective response from the community, government, and organizations to be addressed effectively.
Okay, good day, ma'am. Good day. So, would you like to first introduce yourselves?
I am Ana Alexa Weiss Otos, third year from West University.
So I am Joanna Dale Vicerato, also from BBS Bio.
Okay, so thank you. So, are you ready for our question and answer portion? So, here is the first question. What do you think is the major societal issue in Malaybalay?
I've noticed, isa sa main societal issues that I've noticed here in Taybalan City is the lack of water supply in most areas.
Okay. So the next question is when did you first notice this problem becoming a major issue in the city?
It became a major issue during atong pandemic when most of us kay dili response sa tubig like na schedule and nag-start siya atong nakig-partner ang atong local government sa private company.
Okay. So the third question is where in Malaybalay is this most common?
Specifically, manotice yung lack of water supply in Basakan areas and also here sa Centro, sa Malaybalay City and some big barangays like Patpat, San Jose.
Okay. So our fourth question is why did you think this is the major societal issue here in Malaybalay?
So, major societal issue siya because water is supposedly a basic need siya. So, everyone needs water. Pagdato man ka or kung nahanglan dyan ka water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning, and everything. So, major societal issue siya kung tanan dili ma-abtan bitaw or dili maka-access it.
Yeah, that's right. So the last but not least, how do you feel about this issue and what can you say about it?
It's actually quite disappointing kay like what you said na basic necessity kay nato ang water and the fact na dili nila makaya og provide ni siya sa community is kind of sad for us.
Yeah. Kaya gapay sa aside sa basic necessity siya, gapay ta og exact amount sa kung saan. So, sad siya kung dili nato gaka-receive dapat nato receive.
Okay, so thank you for that wonderful answers. Thank you.
Instagram.
Good afternoon. We have here now the BPED students. So I have some questions for them.
My name is Roy Ayan Itambo from third year College of Bachelor of Physical Education. And I am Arvin P. Taho, third year from the College of Bachelor of Physical Education.
Thank you. Are you ready for my questions? Okay, so the first question is what do you think is the major societal issue in Malaybalay?
For me is, there is sa atong societal there sa Malaybalay is basurahan, there is sa sa gawas, labi na sa Capitol, sa atong likod sa balay or everything na nasa atong palibot na mga basurahan.
Okay, so our next question is when did you first notice this problem becoming a major issue in the city? When did you first notice this problem becoming a major issue in the city? Ano?
Since birth, bantayan lang naman na-issue ng sa yun. May mga flood, sa ba?
Thank you. So, where in Malaybalay is this most common?
For me is Capital Grounds. Pinakaroon yung mga event lugar na mabutang dito sa Capital Grounds. Pinadagan di tao din. Ito din yung mga tao na nagbuhat niya. Sig-asa ra sila galabay mga bus. So, Capital Grounds ako.
Okay, so our fourth question is, why do you think is this the major societal issue here in Malaybalay?
Para sa ko is walay agas. Especially dito na pinsa mo tay nagsara gid siya mo agas tay. Depende mo kay usahay 6 to 12. Tapos pagkahapon kadto ra mga isa ka oras mo wala. So para sa wala gyud agas.
Okay. So our last question is, so how do you feel about this issue and what can you say about it?
Mapil is lain yun siya o dapat ang taning prime water ilag yung kuha na nilang servisyo kay kuha pa sila sa Senado ron barang tinagduot pa sila ron di pa lang mga estudyante din ano po
So thank you so much sa inyong presensya. So good afternoon again. I am here now with, what's your name again, sir?
Marlon Pirabin
Thank you. So I have here some questions. Would you like to answer those? Okay, so thank you. So the first question is, what do you think is the major societal issue in Malaybalay? So when did you first notice this problem becoming a major issue in the city? Okay, so where in Malaybalay is this most rampant or common or kasagaran ang tamo? Sa dapat mo. Okay, sa specific na mga barangay. Sabi ng mga tao kung So why do you think is this the major societal issue here in Malaybalay? Ano kaya hindi maganda sa inyo? Sige lang. Well, okay lang. Okay lang. Okay. So the next question is, how do you feel about this issue and what can you say sa imong na-feel about ang mga problema?
Kaya malit ka. Tanong
Okay, so that's it. That's his answers. So thank you for your time and effort. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Addressing societal issues is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires ongoing collaborative effort. The best solutions are not imposed from the top, but come from partnerships where all stakeholders, including government, the private sectors, NGOs, and most importantly, the community will work together. By empowering people, creating sustainable livelihoods, and combining social, health, and environmental programs, we can create lasting change that helps a city like Malaybalay move toward a more prosperous and fair future.